What's up guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rivera, and in this channel right here we talk about drop shipping, selling on Amazon wholesale, e-commerce marketing, the whole nine, okay? Now, in this video in particular, we're gonna be talking about my top 3 Shopify dropshipping tips that I've learned, and that I've utilized from my experience of being in this space for over 3 years now. Now, a lot of you guys have been messaging me on Instagram and Twitter asking me where I've got this hoodie, right? So this hoodie, the Just Reseller hoodie, I got it from my boy Lex. His Instagram is gonna be right here for you guys to go follow him. If you've ever sold anything online or you're in the flip game, shoe game, whatever, you should have this hoodie because this shit is fire, all right? So now without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, so tip number 1, guys, when it comes to Shopify dropshipping is make sure that you are communicating and coming off as professional when you're talking to your supplier, right? Now, a lot of people don't know this, but these Alibaba suppliers, AliExpress suppliers, they get a lot of bullshit. They deal with a lot of bullshit every single day, right? So when you message them on AliExpress trying to get like a cheaper rate on a product or trying to customize your packaging, white label a product with your logo on it, whatever, right? They're not gonna really be that serious with you, or they're gonna push you to buy a sample from them. Like, they're really just gonna try to shove it down your throat because they don't know whether or not you're serious. They get hundreds of messages a day from wannabe entrepreneurs, you call them, or like just people that aren't serious and are really just wasting their time. So to come off as professional, come off as serious, like someone that actually wants to do business with them, you want to ask them for their WhatsApp or their WeChat. Get them off the AliExpress, Alibaba messaging platform and tell them to message you on there. And I'm gonna actually include a script for you guys to use, what I use when I message these suppliers. But number 1, get them off the AliExpress messaging platform. Get them on WhatsApp, get them on Alibaba, provide them your email, have an official business email, not a fucking your brand name at gmail.com. You want, support@yourbrand.com or help@yourbrand.com, whatever, something cool. Taking them off that platform is gonna do tremendous things for you because they're gonna take you way more seriously and they're gonna, prioritize you instead of treating you like just any other person that just messages them on AliExpress. Now, tip number 2, right? Tip number 2 when it comes to e-commerce is do not reinvent the wheel, guys. And I know a lot of people say that and it just sounds like just kind of broad, doesn't really help you, but I'm going to, narrow into it a little bit more and get more specific. What I mean by this is it's a lot harder to come into the e-commerce game, come into the dropshipping game and try to just find this magical product that no one's ever sold before, no other experienced person has ever sold before. It's hard to just come into the game and think you can just create this product out of nowhere or find this magical product that's gonna make you a lot of money. You don't want to come into the game like that because very, very, very few people can take an unknown product and make it a viral product. It's a hard thing to do. And you may want to do that later in your career, but when you come into dropshipping, when you come into selling online, you will get discouraged if you don't make a sale within a certain time frame. It's different for everyone because people have different tolerances for time when it comes to making money fast, shit like that. That's a whole nother topic. But and my screen just shut off, but it's cool. But you want to come into the game and sell something that's already selling. So if you see a hot product, if you see another company making money with a certain product, you want to come and sell the same thing, but add your own uniqueness, add your own offer, have a better price, or be more premium. You want to come into the game selling something that's already proven to sell. Because if you come in and you go and sell that and you don't make any money, now it's not the product, it's your marketing that's just weak and you need to improve upon it, right? Now, obviously don't come in and sell the most viral thing that everyone's selling, right? I'm not saying that, but find something and validate that it's working. Check to see if that company is still running ads, check to see if they're making sales, and now that you know that it's working, add your own twist to it. Start doing some cool influencer marketing. Run better ads than them, run more ads than them, just be more creative. And you should be able to make money just using that strategy, right? For example, Burger King is doing well, right? McDonald's is doing better than them, but you can still make money being the number 2 in the industry. So come in with that mindset. Tip number 3 when it comes to getting into e-commerce is focus on branding. You don't want to be drop shipping forever, okay? You want to really find a product or find a problem. Matter of fact, instead of trying to find a product, find a problem that you can solve in the marketplace. Once you find that problem, look for the solution in a product or a service, whatever. And then you want to, once you start making sales, once you start making money, you want to brand that product. And that could be as simple as just adding your logo on that product, adding your logo onto the packaging, having nice packaging. There's a reason why everyone keeps their iPhone boxes, their MacBook boxes, their AirPod boxes. It's because Apple has pristine packaging. It makes you want to keep it, and it makes you want to keep buying more. Try to have that same Apple effect with your brand and with your product. That's going to set you apart the competition by far. An industry that I can just name off the top of my head that's branding is doing a lot for this company is Hyperrice, right? Hyperrice, they sell the massage guns. I'm sure you've seen it. It's a viral dropshipping product. They sell their massage gun for $350. And it's literally the exact same massage gun that you can get from Alibaba for 20 bucks. But why can they sell it for so much? Because their packaging is pristine. It's just like Apple. Their product looks nice. It has the logo on the bottle, has the logo on the packaging. And they just overall have they're huge on customer experience. And they're big on influencers too. They have a lot of influencers that promote their product. So they come off as the premium brand, and because of that, they can charge a premium price. You want to be like that with your brand as well. You want to make sure that the branding is top notch, and that's going to set you apart from all the other people selling the same product as you, but they don't have the customer experience you have. They don't have the branding that you have. They don't have those influencers that are holding their product like you do, right? So those are the top 3 tips that I have for you. Number 1 is make sure you take your suppliers off the AliExpress, Alibaba messaging platform. Get them on WhatsApp or WeChat. Number 2 is to do not reinvent the wheel. Sell what's already selling, make it a little better, make your marketing better, and you will make money. Number 3 is, what were we just on? Branding. Okay, I almost forgot. Number 3 is branding. Make sure you brand your products. That's going to set you apart from all the 99% of other dropshippers or e-commerce people out there that are just trying to, get a quick buck. They're not focused on the branding. They're not focused on the long term. Focus on that, and it's going to benefit you 10 times, all right? Now, I hope you found value in this video. Again, my name is Rivera. If you're new to the channel, I'm glad to have you on here. Please continue to watch my videos. Leave a like if you like this video. Comment if you have any questions. And if you really like this video, subscribe to keep in touch with me and, see the future videos that I post. I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.